Where does the name for Cogwrn come from? So today I'm in the hills just above Sucklands Pass in Conwy County, and this hill behind me is called Cogwrn. Let's get into the name. So the name for Cogwrn is fairly straightforward. It means a pile or a lump or a stack, like a haystack. What's less straightforward is where that word in Welsh actually comes from. Now the first half of it looks like it's borrowed from Middle English cogga, which meant a stack like a haystack, which survives in the dialect word haycock and also in the surname Haycock, so tag any haycocks you know in the comments, that'd be appreciated. Now the second half of that word, wrn, is less clear. It looks like a fairly common suffix in Welsh, but the exact meaning can't be worked out. Now another theory is that it's from the word wrn meaning an urn in Welsh, but I'm not sure why that would be appropriate to Cogwrn. Now, something really cool up here in the Carneddau, and apologies there's no mic, but I was in a bit of a rush to catch this, is wild ponies. Now, if you see one, don't approach one, but I'm filming this guy at a distance with my zoom. Check him out. So the name literally means lump, pile or heap. Anyway, diolch, thank you. Give us a like, give us a share or give us a subscribe, I appreciate it. And if you want to support me on my quest to explain every place name in Wales and sometimes outside of it as well, you can on my Patreon, the link's in my bio. Diolch, have a good one.